Hi, I'm here to teach you how to complete the Week 9 Lesson 3 assignment. So you'll want to start on this page where you have all the different cabinet positions. Now, the executive branch is led by the president, but is in fact a very large branch, including things like foreign relation, treasury, education, labor. There's a lot that goes into the executive branch other than the president. So what you're going to do here on the first slide, you're going to need to refer back to the first slide. All right, so Secretary of State. What does the Secretary of State do? Secretary of State is in charge of foreign policy and international relations. Okay, cool. So manages our relationships with foreign, and then there's a blank. You got to find the correct word here. Probably not foreign college, probably not foreign fuel or trade. We know they deal with foreign countries. So I'm going to drag this over here and just put it right here. For the second one, Secretary of Treasuries collects taxes, prints blank, and deals with the nation's finances. Well, let's see what the Secretary of Treasury does. Collects revenue, coining, and printing money. There we go. That's probably what we're looking for. Prints money. Where's that at? Legal, homes, college, armed, basic needs, money. There we go. So that goes right there. And so on and so forth. Make sure to refer back to the first page here if you have any questions. Now, the next one's a little trickier, but type the executive agency from the previous page that would most likely execute each act. So the Veterans Educational Assistance Act increases educational benefits for military veterans who have served since September 11th, 2001. So this would probably be either the Department of Education or the Department of Veterans Affairs. Uh, you probably put either one. I think this is more likely passed, and it was actually passed by the Department of Veterans Affairs. So I'd come here and type in Veterans Affairs. Provides the intelligence, number 2, provides the intelligence community tools to gather important information about terrorists. Okay, so which of these deals with terrorism? Here we go. Department of Homeland Security, National Security, Border Management, Natural Disaster Support, and Immigration. So national security means things like terrorism and dealing with things like that. So it would most likely be the Department of Homeland Security. And then just go through. If you get stuck, read carefully through what each department's job is, and take your best guess. It's okay if you're a little bit off, but just do the best you can. Finally, this one's very straightforward. You watch this video, answer these 4 questions about cabinet members. Still have email questions, feel free to send me an email.